The US dollar remains afloat amid the Fed's hints about an earlier raise of the key interest rate. At least Fed's Chair Jerome Powell confirmed their intention to discuss the monetary policy tightening during the upcoming meeting in December. In our video review on InstaForex TV channel, we will find out what other events may shape the market sentiment early next week. On Monday, traders will have time to regain strength as on Tuesday, the trading day is expected to be very active. First of all, China will report on its trade balance. According to the data, foreign demand continues rising, whereas exports have been increasing for 13 months in a row. In November, the indicators may also go on climbing. The information is encouraging market participants at boosting appetite for risk. Thus, risky assets may have a chance to recoup some of their losses. Meanwhile, the Australian dollar, the most popular risky assets, will be under influence from the Reserve Bank of Australia meeting. The fact is that other central banks, including the Fed, are gradually tightening their monetary policies. That's why traders expect the same steps from the Reserve Bank of Australia. In addition, there are all the economic conditions necessary to start closing stimulus programs. Notably, at the previous meeting, the central bank assured markets that the key interest rate would remain unchanged until at least 2024. At the same time, the Australian inflation has accelerated to the targeted area. However, the regulator supposes that it's not the reason to tighten monetary policy. Against this background, the Australian dollar may face a short-lived pressure. The euro could also be under the pressure from the ZEV economic sentiment report that is expected to be less positive. According to the forecast, the indicator may slide to 25.9 points amid uncertainties caused by the global epidemiological situation. On Wednesday, the Bank of Canada meeting will be the only important event of the day. The key interest rate is likely to remain the same, whereas the QE program was altered at the previous meeting. The regulator's comments about inflation are likely to affect the Canadian dollar. Anxiety and concerns about rapid growth in consumer prices may boost the currency. And we will monitor the market reaction to the above-mentioned reports. Subscribe to our channel and follow changes in market sentiment with us. Any comments, questions and offers are welcomed. We wish you profitable trading and see you soon.